for the sake of the whole Africa, we are begging them to discipline South Africa for us.
Okay. All right. Yeah, quickly, Mexico, South Africa game.
Yes, I'm expecting Mexico to say win.
Okay.
Even on paper, on there, they have everything
ahead of South
Africa in terms of player exposure and yada. Coach, no, wabe coach of Africa harder, so he knows the African terrain, how African teams in there ebo. So I'm expecting him to win. Inti me besa me kano Spanish mo no monty.
Oh, can Spanish mo?
Yes.
I'm a Mexico fanatic.
Yes.
Players na supporters no.
Omu nyina obia inti Mexico por favor anotenle a Sud-Africa por nosotros.
Inti we na say chese.
We chese Mexico, please score South Africa for us.
Okay.
Inti maminsa nsi subium. Mexico, por favor, anotenle a South Africa por nosotros.
Any call tell
So it is important for the sake of the whole Africa. We are begging them to discipline South Africa for us.
Okay.
It should be a massacre. Look, normally we don't see opening games recording a lot of goals, but we are pleading with them. Raul Jimenez, we are begging them. Julian, they should ensure that all their shot on target will result in a goal.
Okay.
And make sure that they will discipline this South African team.
All right.
Beat them to the pop for every African to be very, very, very happy about.
Okay.